Now from the diagram, it will help me if I can explain it here. So data is raw facts, things that may not make sense on the first go, right? For example, I write 92, 95, 97, 82, something like that, right? 79, something like that. They are raw facts. I don't know what it is, but this is still a data, right? And information is processed one, ready to use, right? So that is information. This is output, output. This is output, ready. Raw facts data is input. And then in between, first of all, when you input data, that data stays in a database and then it is processed. It stays in some sort of database, right? If you have learned this software, Microsoft Access in Learning Center, it is ACCESS, Microsoft Access. If you have learned this software, this is a database software, right? And data stays in rows and columns, right? So you know that rows are horizontally and column is vertically. So data stays here in the database management system, right? So Microsoft Access is one of the database management system. It stays there. And then you process it here, you process it, right? And then this gets converted into information, which is output, right? For example, I process this. This is raw data. I put it into a database. I said these are the marks in the various courses of a student. And then I use commands like average mark command, right? And I get the average marks of the student. And suppose average marks comes out to be some number, right? Which I don't calculate right now. That number, this point, this. That average is a information. It is processed one. I can decide, right? So whether the student has passed or passed with above 90 or above 80 or above 75% marks, and this processing can be done. So whenever you are working as a supervisor, remember your target is to go from data to information. And once you have a data, store it in a database and then apply techniques to process it, right? And then information which was raw will be converted it into processed output, ready to use. So that this processed information will be used to make decisions.